Amendments na hindi naman na-carry marami dahil malalaki, but I'm hoping sa BICAM they would consider, no? Kung kaya natin gumastos ng 64 billion for conditional cash transfer, bakit hindi natin pwede lagyan ang micro and small entrepreneurship, no? Enterprises, and tulungan ang ating entrepreneurs. Sa ngayon, less than 2 billion pesos ang ginagastos natin sa entrepreneurship, sa micro, small, and medium enterprises. Samantalang 64 billion ang nasa conditional cash transfer of 4 Ps. No? So I'm proposing 1 billion per region to promote, sustain, and grow micro and small enterprises. Kasama dyan yung capital. No? 500 million for tourism, ecotourism, agritourism, and related support services development. 500 million per region for college and technical education, and 500 million for construction of primary health care centers na in accordance with best practices. But para hindi po humaba, I'm giving you today the copy of the letter, or pwede ko rin email yung soft copy, kasi nandun po sa letter ko kay Senator Escudero yung background ng congestion sa Metro Manila, and doon din po sa mga amendments na to. Just going back to Metro Manila, by the way, no? We have 2.2 million cars in the streets of Metro Manila a day. No? Next year, 2015, yung car industry are predicting 250,000 new cars ang mabebenta. 58% sa Metro Manila din mapupunta. So no matter how many streets, underpass, overpass, flood control ang gawin mo sa Metro Manila, ang simpleng-simple, puno masyado. So the key is really to redistribute. So can you go to the slide before? So yun po ang susi, to redistribute, no? And that's the slide. So I'll stop there and answer the questions.